Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 4:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, October 27, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe, click the bell, click the thumbs up, share the video. We're talking about decentralized storage, aka name of crypto, STORJ. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's take a look at one of the most phenomenal aspects of technology, which is storage. I mean, without it, where would we be anyway? You wouldn't be able to see YouTube videos, I can tell you that. Anyway, we've got a pretty long line of support here, going back to March of 2020. And this is the thing I love about storage. We are definitely, though, at the line right here. And this could be an interesting period of time for storage. This is make or break here, folks. I think we're going to wind up bouncing up. We'll take a look at the STORJ Bitcoin pair. Also, just so everyone can see this line is starting to look like an area of resistance. So we're getting close to a period of time where storage may make a money move very soon. But it's all kind of contingent on what's going on in the macro world. Macro environment sometimes impacts these little local cryptocurrencies like storage. Let's take a look over at storage of Bitcoin. But by the way, let's be very clear on where we are on the line. We're a little bit over it now at 114, but we got a local low of around 110. A couple of percentage points over from the long time line of support. Let's move towards storage Bitcoin. Definitely another line of support. We're still a little further away from it, albeit, but we're at 1766. So we're very largely away from that area of support. But again, we have these kind of points where I think things are going to start to move very, very soon. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin showing a potential area where we could see a full-on head and shoulders pattern here that could result down to 54. I'm not saying it will. I'm really kind of holding out to see if this thing bounces back up again and disqualifies this steeper head and shoulders pattern. Maybe the head and shoulders pattern really started here and is ending. But if it passes below 58,000 strongly, I think it will come back down all the way to 54,000. And looking over Bitcoin dominance, starting to consolidate here. It doesn't really know what to do. It's just kind of hanging out in a range. Notice what happened when Bitcoin went down only 5%. We went from 44 all the way up to 45.5. That's fear, and that all happened within an hour or two. So just so you know, that's pretty considerable force right there. So altcoins got kind of hammered very quickly in light of that. Well, look, Bitcoin's over 58,000, almost 59,000 right now. We have to see it play out between now and tomorrow. But this is a tight walk right now. So we'll see how this thing goes. In the meantime, storage still doing phenomenal over that line. Looking like this new resistance area here, consolidating with this sometime between now and mid to end of November is where I think we could see some real action on this one way or the other. But based on history here, it looks like we have a pretty formidable line of support going all the way back to March. Anyway, I'm out. Talk soon.